Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom. Today I'm going to talk about two of my favorite varieties of tomatoes to grow, especially when I'm making sauce. One is particularly good for the sauce, the other is good for either. All right, so here's my Sunrise Sauce tomato here, and there's another plant there. Notice how short these are. These are what are called determinate. They produce one big flush of tomatoes. They're still producing. This is an unbelievable producing plant. I absolutely love it. We have a little bit of disease there down at the bottom. I should remove those leaves, and if you're wondering, that's some arugula that's sort of grown in there. But the tomatoes are doing really well. They have produced a lot of tomatoes this year, and this is a fantastic plant and a fantastic variety if you want to make a really beautiful sauce that's a little more orange rather than red. Now, another tomato I really like is Juliet. This is a more vigorous plant. It's indeterminate. It is going to grow and grow and grow. This is, 6.5, almost 7 feet tall. And this produces oblong fruits, which are saladette tomatoes. And in other words, they're good for salads. They're very great storing tomato, but they're relatively small. They're not that big, so they're nice for salads. And what I like about them is that you can, pick one or two and have them in a salad, and they'll still keep going during the course of the year, as opposed to some of the beefsteak tomatoes, which can be, frankly, I can get overwhelmed, with beefsteak tomatoes. This particular variety here, Early Girl, still producing, and you can see all these bigger tomatoes here. But the ones I'm focusing on for this video, not the yellows, but the oblong saladette tomato, Juliet, really nice, and Sunrise Sauce, another really nice tomato for the garden. It is September 24th. Very late in the year to be having such beautiful tomatoes. I mean, these are still just looking so amazing. Disease-free. Really happy with this. Now, I have used a late fungicide on these plants here. They were organic up until a couple of weeks ago, and I started to lose them. You can see some of the leaves here that died, and I was about to lose the plant, so I thought, well, let's give it a little bit. Let's give it one light disease treatment, and I think it was smart to do, because look at all these tomatoes here. This is going to be, I'm going to be having tomatoes in October now, and that's fairly unusual for me. Just because of the disease. And I showed you earlier, you can see some more of those Juliets, and the Sunrise Sauce are over there, and they actually look a little bit better too, getting a couple here and there, but definitely not as prolific as the Juliet. Really happy with that variety. Here we have Sunrise Sauce. I just picked these, and you can see nice and firm. A little bit of disease in a couple of them, but generally looking really nice. We've had some wet weather the past few weeks, and this is Juliet. Now, they consider this a saladette tomato, but I like to use this in making sauce as well. I'm just going to show you what they look like cut open. So you can see here, there's definitely seeds and a little bit of gel, but a lot of meat. Juliet, looks a little more like a traditional tomato, more oblong in shape. The Sunrise Sauce, definitely more of a plum tomato, but you can see all of these, how great they look, and just really prolific this year. What a great year for these tomatoes. And again, if you're wondering, here's the Sunrise Sauce, considered a paste tomato. Just leave that up for a second. And then the Juliet, which they consider what they call a saladette tomato, but I also like to use that in sauce as well. Notice 24 to 36 inches, relatively short plants. Same thing with the Sunrise Sauce, a relatively short plant. Says grows to about 24 inches, and you can see what they look like outside as well. There you have it. Juliet, an oblong tomato, indeterminate, is going to grow like crazy, producing small saladette tomatoes, but also good for sauce. And Sunrise Sauce, an orange tomato, determinate, much shorter, producing a ton of tomatoes, wonderful for making a sauce, and really a beautiful color as well. You can also eat them, but they're particularly meaty, so I really like cooking with them. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.